Welcome. Alright, in this video, we are going to crack open this green light Bigfoot. I love this thing. Love it. It's pretty much spot on, really. Yeah, everything. They've done a really good job, real good job with this. It's green light, hobby exclusive. Bigfoot, number 1, the original monster truck, 74 Ford F250. Absolutely love it, and I'm digging to get the rest of these. It's a 6-car set. So yeah, I want USA 1, that's for sure. Grew up watching all the old monster truck stuff, and when they were all still old leaf springs, went and watched them a few times. I haven't seen any of the new stuff, been out and seen any of that. I just haven't had the opportunity. But look, let's get this open, because I've been hanging to do this. So it's time for it to come out. Apparently they've got a muddy version as well. It's getting better. That is awesome. Love it. Hopefully you can see that. Where are we? Somewhere here. I'll zoom in just a little. Which way zoom? Seems I always stuff the zoom. There. Oh yeah, that should be right. That is beautiful. So happy to have that one. I didn't cut any corners with this either. It's yeah, I just got it spot on. There may be a couple of small things, but you know, like the truck did get changed a fair bit. Bob Chandler, you know, did change things quite often, as you do on your monster trucks and things, you know, motor setups and things like that, and small details and that. But pretty much they got this spot on. So that's just beautiful. That is. It's just the perfect size. Well, I'd love a real life one sitting in the bloody driveway here, but that ain't gonna happen. So, but yeah, this is great. Yeah, all the details, got all the details. So hopefully you can see that good there. I'll tip her up for you. So that's underneath. So it's number 2920. 74 Ford F-Series, used under license. Green light. It's great. Yeah. Yeah, it's really nice. Very happy to have that, and definitely looking forward to getting the rest of them when they're, whenever they're released, wherever they are. Yeah, but I don't know. I can't say too much else about it. It's yeah, it's just awesome. And just the windscreen wiper details. They've just got everything on it. Everything. Yep. The batteries in the back, the fuel cell in the back. Chrome roll bar, spotlights, tyres are just, yeah, spot on, authentic there. So, yeah, they've got the picture there, wherever you can see it, but the wheels on the picture are larger. They're not the, because what it is, have the 66 by 43s, whereas I think the tyres that are on the diecast itself, they're a bit more realistic to what they actually were, because they were a slightly smaller one with the first Bigfoot, and then he went up in tyre size, and yeah. Whereas on the pic there, it's got just 2 carbs through the bonnet. I think they were Predator carbs, I think they were on this. Whereas this has got 3. So, slight different variations. But as I said, he would have changed the truck a fair few times. So they've just got to pick something and go with that. But yeah, the body's a 79 Ford F250, chassis is 74 F250, engine 640 cubic inch V8, transmission is a C6, axles 5 ton militaries, shocks 14 gas cell, tyres Firestone 66 by 43 by 25, weight approximately 11,000 pounds. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Look, they've even got the tow hooks on the front. So, I reckon they went back to the drawing board a few times with on this one, getting it right. And if, you know, I don't think Bob Chandler would have taken second best, I don't think. So I reckon, you know, as long as he's still in charge, I reckon he would have wanted it spot on. I think that's what they've done. So yeah, that's great. Beautiful truck, that one. Beautiful. I know I don't normally call utes trucks, but I guess this is because it's a monster truck, so yeah. But absolutely fantastic. It's been bugging me sitting in that, sitting in the pack there. Had to get it out. Anyway, we'll end this video here. Look forward to the rest of them, and we'll do a video of them. Okay, see you all later.